I'm Don Cooper, the CEO and founder of Innovator, and today's session is part of a series that we're offering on above ground storage tank repairs. And today we are talking about the forge bonding repair method.
This is an EFR repair enclosure. It's very frequent that our customers have made previous attempts at stopping tank leaks. And sometimes we show up on the job site and they have an anthill, a large mound of epoxy where they've repeatedly applied the epoxies to stop the leak. And in this case, there was a pipe end cap glued down to the roof with epoxies and it leaked. And so they didn't want to remove it. And generally something like that, we don't want to remove because we don't know how large the defect is. And we don't want to spring a large leak and create a big problem trying to stop it. So we designed a box to go over this. It's not uncommon for us to build boxes. Normally we ask our customers, if you're going to apply epoxies, apply them very thin and keep the profile low so that if we come in, we can just put a flat plate over it.